What's your name, bud? Is it Woof Woof? What do you smell? Looks like I have a new hiking buddy for this trip. He's already going across that bridge. He is not wading up, apparently. Oop. I have a feeling he's been on quite a bit of hikes, because he seems to know what to do. Or she, I think I should say. Well, we need a trail name for our wonderful new hiking companion, so thinking something like Wonka, kind of an homage of Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. Maybe name her Wonka. It kind of sounds like a guy's name though. I don't know if I want Wonka. Check back when I figure it out. Are we going left or right? What do you think? Let's see what the sign says. Let's go left. So today, in case I haven't said it, we are at a place called Woodland Mounds State Preserve. And we are going to find some Indian burial grounds. I got Wonka. I think that is what I'm going to name her. Got Wonka assisting me. And together, we are going to find these things. So it should be a good time. I kind of like finding these. There's not a whole lot of them that I'm aware of. Funny enough, this isn't the first time I've had a dog come hike with me before. You always kind of wonder whose dog it is. She is a good hiking dog though, real good. She loves to hike. I'm pretty sure these are the burial mounds right here. A camera I doubt can pick them up, but they just look like hills. Really, they just look like hills, but those are the burial mounds. Let's go stand on one. According to the map, there's 3 of them here, so I think there's 1, 2, yeah, let's check these out, Wonka. Can we find the 3rd? Sure where the 3rd is. We take care of Wonka around here. I gave Wonka my lunch. Alright, we had lunch with Wonka at the burial grounds. I only see 2 that I can really pinpoint. Maybe there is 3, I guess. I don't see the 3rd, but I'm sure it is here. The camera can't pick it up. I'm telling you, these things are subtle. But there's some more to find here. I think there's 6 here. So then there was 3 of them right there. Me and Wonka on the road again. On the road again. Dang. It really is crazy to think that many, many years ago, this had to have been like some sort of part of like a campsite around here. Good hunting, good camping, good times. So yeah, that's definitely a burial ground, burial mound. Picture this years ago when there was no light pollution, the type of view you would have here. That would have been absolutely incredible. I can see why they thought it was so proper to bury him there. Here's another one. I think this is the 5th one. I imagine that these trees have been cleared out here for quite a long time. It's hard to say exactly, but I imagine so. This is probably the highest point in the land for a while, because typically I think they try to bury him as high as possible to be as close to the gods as they possibly can be. I see some tree lines that way, but it's hard to say. What do you think, Wonka? Pretty cool? Yeah, she's like, hell yeah, it's cool. But I hear something out there. She's like, what is it? Is it another dog, Wonka? What are we gonna do? I don't know either. We'll figure it out though. Ooh, that's a nice prickly bush. I agree, Wonka. I wish the trail went further too, but I think this is the end of it. Deer trail. Really pretty cool spot here. I think I'm gonna rename her Wonka Flocka Flash. I think I'm funny. Wonka Flocka Flash. Just looks like a hill. All it looks like is a little bump. I keep laughing because I keep thinking about how my new buddy Wonka Flocka Flame was just came running down the path out of nowhere, literally out of nowhere. You know, I was expecting to hear the owner say something or somebody say something, but nobody was with her. She just comes sprinting down. And she stops when she gets to me and she's like, "Are we hiking?" I'm like, "Yeah, let's go." Nice old deer trail. Which way, Wonka? This is a pretty beautiful stretch of hiking right here. Dang, she just took off. Wonka, you're my friend. Wonka? Ah, she's coming back. What do you see, girl? Man, she saw some, huh? Interesting tree trunk there. Going into a bit of an open field here. You know, I'm actually kind of bummed. The hike out here wasn't very long. There's not a whole lot of miles out here. And that means we don't get to spend that much time with our new friend Wonka, because she's not gonna get to go back with me. So it was pretty fun. That's why I love to go hiking. You just never know the stuff that might happen. All types of stuff. Meeting a new friend on the trail. I helped Wonka get back home. It always feels good. Alright guys, this is where I have to say goodbye. Thank you all so much for watching. It's always a blast having you guys along with me. And unfortunately, I'm also gonna have to say goodbye to Wonka. She was fun. Glad she got to hang out with me.